Shalom!
Shalom!
In this lesson, we will learn a dance we call Shout to the Lord. It consists of very simple and common movements. It is suitable for any slow, rhythmic music. The first step we will learn is called either the grapevine or the Mayim step. The name Mayim comes from a very old dance choreographed somewhere around the mid-30s to a popular folk song which is called Mayim. The second step we will learn is called coupe, which is based on a ballet movement. The third step we will learn is called the palm trees with a turn. The palm trees comes from a dance choreographed by Yonatan Gabay in 1965, Sadiq Ketamar.
Today we're going to learn one of the very basic steps of congregational dance. It's called either the grapevine or the Mayim step. You start with your right foot and you're moving to the left. Cross your right over your left foot. Take your left foot beside your right foot. Cross your right foot behind your left foot and your left foot goes to the side. It takes 4 counts to do one grapevine. Right crosses front, left to the side, right crosses back, left to the side, and front and side and back and side, and front and side and back and side, and front, side, behind, side, front, side, behind, side. Very good. Now we're going to learn the coupe. So coupe is actually a ballet term. Coupe is a ballet term. You're going to take your right foot again, you're going to cross it over your left, and then you're going to step back in your left right where it was to place and put your right foot back where it started. Now cross your left foot in front and put your right foot back where it was, left. And now we're going to do 2 sways. Sway right and left. Coupe to the left with your right foot, left, right, cross, left, right, left, sway, right, left. Again, cross and back to place and cross and place and sway, sway. And count 1, 2, 3, cross 4, 5, 6, sway 7 again. And cross 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, cross 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we're going to put those 2 steps together, the grapevines with the coupe, starting with your right foot crossing over, 2 grapevines, 1, 2, 3, and another one, 1, 2, 3. Here come the coupes. Cross, come back, cross, come back, and sway again, and grapevine, 2, 3, and another one, grapevine, 2, 3. Here are the coupes. Cross, back, cross, and one more time. Starting with the grapevine or the Mayim step, cross over right, and 1, 2, 3, and another one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are the coupes. Cross and come back, cross and come back, sway. 1, cross over, grapevine or Mayim, however you want to call it, and cross, 2, 3. Sometimes I call that dip. Ready, one more time. And grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, and dip, cross over, dip, and sway, sway. The second step, we do an imitation of a palm tree as your arms come up, and your arms are going to flow to the right as you step to the right, and flow to the left as you step to the left. Let's do that again. Step right, arms, step left, arms. And that's going to be followed by a turn to the right, starting with your right foot. Starting with your right foot, step out to the right. With your left foot, turn out of the circle, come back into the circle with your right foot, and take that 4th step. Okay? 4 steps to take 1 turn. You're turning over your right shoulder. Here we go. Turning to the right. Right, and turn, and turn, and left. We're going to do the palm trees twice, and then 1 turn. And sway right and left, turning with your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sway right and left, turn. 1, 2, 3, and sway right and left, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4.
My Jesus, my Savior, Lord, there is none like you. All of my days, I want to praise the wonders of your mighty love. My comfort, my shelter, tower of refuge and strength. Let every breath, all that I am, never cease to worship you. Shout to the Lord, all the earth, let us sing. Power and majesty, praise to the King. Mountains bow down and the seas will roar at the sound of your name. I sing for joy at the work of your hand. Forever I love you, forever I stand. Nothing compares to the promise I have in you. My Jesus, my Savior, my Savior. Oh, there's nothing like you.
We worship you, O Lord, for you alone are worthy to receive all honor and praise. You are highly exalted, Lord God Almighty. Sing out, O heaven and earth. Hallelujah. Bless the name Yeshua, for he is the name above all names. Hallelujah. Bless the name Yeshua. Messiah gave his life in my place. We thank you, O Father, for sending your Son, who gave himself a ransom for our sin.
In this version of the dance, we will add one rest step in between the other two steps.
Lord, you search me and you know me. When